Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make shipping address phone number required on your Shopify store. So when your customer buy your product, they have to give your shipping address phone number. It's very easy. First, you can open your Shopify dashboard and then go to your settings in the bottom left corner here. After that, there is checkout here. You can click it and then you can scroll down and there is customer information option. As you can see, for the full name you can choose only require last name or both. I will choose require first and last name, and then for the company name I will just don't include, and for the address line I will just optional here, and this one for the shipping address phone number I will just choose required. So when your customer buy your product, they have to put their shipping address phone number. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.